in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best and free Vectorizer AI alternative that makes it very easy for you to be able to convert your image into vectors without paying a dime right here, because recently Vectorizer.ai has made it hard for users to be able to download their vectors right here using this website called Vectorizer.ai. So right here guys, let's dive right into the video to find out the free Vectorizer AI alternative. So right here guys, the first thing you want to do, you want to simply go on to Leonardo.ai and you simply go on to the Leonardo.ai homepage. So right here you want to simply select your images that you want to simply, so guys, you want to simply just put your avatars or your images, your characters that you easily want to download into a vector right there. So right here guys, you can decide to make use of this particular image or this image right here. So you simply tap on that image and simply go on to remix. So simply tapping on to remix, it simply means you want to simply generate images that looks exactly like this right here by making use of this prompt and this image right here. So simply go on to remix right here. So guys, what you want to do right now is to click on to generate, and this is going to generate the image to different images right here for us. So you want to simply wait for a few seconds. So guys, this is it right now. So you want to simply download any of these. I can decide to just download this particular image right here. Click on to download image, and once you're done with downloading your image, now the free tool right here we're going to make use of is this tool called vectorizer.com. So with vectorizer.com, you want to simply convert PNG files to SVG online, and you can also vectorize your image. So the first thing guys you want to do, you want to simply upload file. So I'm just going to drag and drop in that particular file right here, and it is uploading. So that is it. We have been able to do this right now. So simply go on to download, and with that right here guys, we have been able to vectorize this particular image. So if you simply just tap on that particular image that you've downloaded right here, so guys, let's simply look at this. This is it right here. You can see this is the image and this is the original image that was downloaded right now. So by looking at this, you've been able to see the difference between this particular image and this image when it has been turned into vectors. So guys, this is the free tool that enables you to turn your images into vectors. All you simply need to do, upload the file and simply just download right here. So try out this free Vectorizer AI alternative called vectorizer.com.